Hi YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box, guys. This mystery box is actually from the UK, so it comes out to 800 pounds. And I did the calculation for you guys. 800 pounds comes out to like about $1,000 in US dollars. So this right here comes out to $1,000 mystery box. As you guys can see, this is a very thin mystery box. It looks like it's literally just one shoe. The mystery box is actually picked up from a company called SaruGeneral, which I have worked with in the past before. They sent over a box, I think like a year ago, almost 2 years ago or something like that. It was a while back, and they sent over a box and it was a mix of like hypebeast clothing and also shoes. Actually mainly hypebeast clothing, I think, and it was a pretty okay box. However, from what I remember, it wasn't really a good box for like reselling stuff, you know, like the sneaker mystery boxes and stuff that we open, we're trying to open those up to make profit. That box definitely didn't show much profit. It showed a whole bunch of like used clothing and just a whole bunch of like random assortments of like babe accessories and things that you can't really sell. So it was a very tough box if you guys are trying to like move product, but it was still fun. I mean, it's a mystery box, you know, it's always going to be exciting. It's just, I don't think it's good for in terms of profit. That was a while back, like I said though, so I revisited the website SaruGeneral.com, and I took a look at the website, and it looks like they updated a lot of different stuff. It looks like they're growing. One thing that I do know that was really like lame about this box was that this box actually took like a month, I think, to ship out. And if you guys didn't catch on, like, this is an honest review, by the way. I bought this box like with my own money and stuff, and I'm giving you guys an honest take of what I think this company is. So this took about a month to get here, which was very frustrating. At one point I actually had to email like the, I don't know, help desk or whatever to see where my package was, because nothing shipped in like 3 to 4 weeks, and then it was really frustrating. So let me open this up first and then I'll get into more details. Alright, so the box itself is just a standard box over here. So one of the weird things that I want to get into before I open this up is that on the website it's very strange. I've never seen this on a mystery box before. On the website you're actually able to either pick a chance box or a value box. The value box, it looks like whatever you buy, it's like that's exactly what they give you, right? If you get a value box, if you buy 800 pounds worth of stuff or $1,000 worth of shoes, you'll get $1,000 worth of shoes, which I think is ridiculous. I don't see how that helps anybody. Like, you're just paying for shoes that you don't know what you're gonna get for $1,000. You could do that on Goat, you know, just pick up a whole bunch of shoes for $1,000 and you actually know what you're gonna get. So I don't agree with that. If you guys click the chance box, I think it says like you have a 50-50 chance to get either over the value that you paid, or you're gonna get a little bit under the value that you paid. So that one is really, really weird, man. Like, you might get less than what you paid for. Like, that just kind of floors me. So I'm not sure if this is a good reseller box per se, but we'll open it up and see what we got, man. Like I said, 800 pounds, and it was literally like not like the picture where you see a whole bunch of different shoes and stuff. You get essentially one shoe, it looks like, maybe 2 shoes. So we'll see what we got. Okay, really lame. Over here, it looks like I have some broken stuff over here that they sent in. All right, so this is also kind of lame, man. I bought a sneaker mystery box. It wasn't a hypebeast mystery box. It said a sneakers only mystery box, but I guess part of the value came from other things that they sent in the box, because right here, this is a Supreme sticker. I think it's a Comme des Garçons or CDG sticker. You guys can check it out up under the camera over here. Backwards Supreme logo, and they valued it, I guess, at 65 pounds. This is not something that I wanted in a box. It's a sneaker mystery box. I wanted sneakers. This is not a sneaker. So that is one thing that's kind of weird. Also, in this box, they sent over a $35 thing, I guess, which was supposed to be whatever the heck this thing is. I don't know what this is. It's a bird call. How do you call a bird with this? I guess you spin it. That kind of sounds like a bird, I guess. Yeah, this is very strange. It also looks like it's used. Also, strangely enough, there was a pill in here. I'm not sure what this pill is supposed to be for. You guys can check that out. Literally a red pill that was in this box. Very sus. I'm not making this up, man. I'm not making this up. This was just sitting in this box. Oh, that is very strange. Probably shouldn't be in here. Guessing, I don't know, unless that's part of the bird whistle. But yeah, anyway, we have this over here. Also on the packaging, it says that this one is valued at 700 euros. So, yeah, that's interesting. I said chance box, but it looks like they gave me the actual 800 value based off of their whatever, you know, notes and stuff. So that's strange. This one is a size 11 though. You do get to pick your sizes and stuff on the website, which is another good perk, I guess. This thing is wrapped in SaruGeneral paper again. And for the actual shoe that we do have, it is a pair of Jordan 1 Breads, guys. Jordan 1 Breads over here in a size 11. A worn pair of Jordan 1 Breads. It looks like it's in pretty decent condition, man, not gonna lie. You guys can check it out over here. Jordan 1 Bread. Solid condition, I guess, for the most part. There's some toe box creasing over here. Bottom's a little bit dirtied, but not like crazy heel drag or star loss from what I can tell. I also don't see any marks or anything too crazy on that. So this isn't too bad. However, everything else in this thing I'm thinking is like not actually worth what they're saying. It's just really weird, and I don't know if the valuations are correct because they got the bird whistle for 35 pounds, Comme des Garçons sticker for 65 pounds, and this one is saying that it was actually 700 pounds is what they had listed on here. 700 pounds comes out to USD is $882. So they're evaluating this shoe at $882 for a used pair of Jordan 1 Bands in a size 11. And for me, I think that's a complete misvaluation, man. Like, I know my prices of Jordan 1 breads, and I don't think that this shoe, especially in a size 11, is gonna reach $882 as a used condition. Like, if I go to StockX right now, like, see, this is ridiculous. Like, if I went over to StockX right now and typed in Jordan 1 Band, for a dead stock pair, they're going at lowest ask is $890, highest bid is $790, so you could probably get this shoe for like $850 brand new. They're saying that this is a worn pair for the equivalent of $882 US. So yeah, I don't think that this is worth it, man. Like, it doesn't look like it's worth it. I got random pills in a box, which is super weird. I don't know what the heck that was doing in there. Also got that CDG sticker, which is cool. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, Bands are a cool shoe and the CDG sticker is pretty dope. I know it's a rare sticker or whatever, but from a consumer standpoint, right, because this is always me from like a consumer standpoint, I don't feel like it's worth it, man. Like, that was a chance box. It could be just be that we got the bad end of a chance box, you know. Like, this is definitely less than what I think I paid for the box. $1,000. I don't think I got $1,000 worth of stuff, so maybe I just was on the losing end of that chance box. But at the same time, it's just strange how they like had the actual like pound signs on like everything. Like, again, if you guys want to see it close up, you guys saw it, there's like stickers on here where they put the valuation so you know how much they think everything is worth. So from that perspective, I'm not sure, man. Like, it's weird. It's all weird. So you guys can buy mystery boxes from SaruGeneral and stuff. Just the cons that I've seen are very, very slow shipping. Values are kind of overpriced. It doesn't look like I'm getting any kind of value in this box. And pros are, you know, I'm not sure if there's any pros, guys. Like, I don't know if there's any pros. You get a mystery box, you get a chance to open up something cool, but other than that, I don't know. You guys have better places to buy mystery boxes, and like, I would just like recommend like Soul Steals or something where you get actual value. So it's just, I don't know, man. Like, I don't want to be a hater, but this is a non-sponsored review of this box, and as always, I'm just trying to help the Untitled Hana, the guys watching these videos and stuff, be smart consumers. So this is what you would expect if you buy a SaruGeneral box. Not sponsored. This is just me buying a box and seeing what comes inside. But yeah, just be aware, guys, if you do want a chance to still and just have fun with the mystery box, it's definitely up to you. But my verdict is I would not buy another box from over here. Just in my personal opinion, I don't feel like it's worth it. Anyway, guys, that is actually it. If you guys want to purchase any of these shoes, that bird whistle, or I guess that sticker, it will be on untitledhawaii.com. The pill will not be for sale. I definitely don't know what the heck that is, and I don't think it's part of the bird whistle. It's really just weird. But yeah, other than that, everything else is for sale. So check that out, untitledhawaii.com. If you guys enjoyed these videos, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, just let me know in the comments if you guys have ever ordered from SaruGeneral and stuff before, and let me know your guys' personal thoughts on the company. So let me know in the comments below. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoots!